Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a poll in a Facebook group. Polls are a great way to engage your group members and gather their opinions. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Tap on the top right corner of Facebook to access the main menu. Step 2. From the menu options, tap on Groups, then Your Groups, and select the specific group where you want to create the poll. Step 3. Tap on the Write Something section to open the Post Creation box. Step 4. Scroll down in the Post Creation box and select Poll. Step 5. Next, tap on Add a Poll option to enter the options for group members to select from. Creating a poll in a Facebook group allows you to engage your community and gather their preferences or insights. Whether you're deciding on a group activity, seeking opinions on a topic, or simply sparking engagement, polls are an effective tool. Remember to provide clear and concise options in your poll, making it easy for group members to participate. You can customize the duration of the poll and even allow multiple options to be selected, depending on your specific needs. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to create a poll in a Facebook group. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.